Why they snap like this?
You forgive me?
No. I'll log out, get on the train. I'll never hear from you again.
They went too crazy.
My questions get so many answers.
I'm scared.
Snapped. What? Yes. Good morning, y'all. Hope y'all been having a good morning. Girl, look. Anyway, I got me some breakfast. I got a breakfast platter. I think that's what it's called. So I'm about to show y'all, and then we're gonna get into it. So here it is, y'all. It's biscuits and gravy, some tots, a sausage, and 2 eggs. So you know I'm about to, yeah. It looks good though. They burnt my biscuit a little bit, but that's all right. Here's how it looks all dressed up. I dropped my sausage in the gravy, so that's what it's giving. And I peppered the shit out of my eggs, about to salt them up, but it's good as hell. Blurry. Hold on. Wipe y'all off. Okay. Okay, y'all. So get right. So I know y'all probably been seeing this all over TikTok on the rocks. What's in here? The margarita crafted with Hornitos tequila, margarita, tequila and triple sec. I had it in the freezer for a little bit. This is how it look. I don't know why. There we go. I'm about to try it. Never had it before. This is my first time. I'm just about to take a little shot. I'm about to get in the shower. I'm about to wait for my company. Damn. It smells good. Like a margarita. Ooh. Damn. It's kind of strong, I ain't gonna lie. It's good though. It's just strong. You can definitely taste tequila and the triple sec for sure. And hella lime. So the margarita flavor is definitely margarita. So yeah, y'all, go get y'all some on the rocks. That part. So y'all, tonight I'm making more nachos. Excuse my little receipts and stuff back there if y'all can see them. But last time I did not have any of this, so I picked this mild sauce up. You made my day. Mild smile. I did not say that. It say mild. Whatever. And then I got these seasoning packets. Last time I got, I don't want y'all to see all of it in my cabinet. Last time I got this Ortega, no, Old El Paso, and it was not good. I did not care for it, so I would be throwing this away. But I just got the mild sauce. My daughter don't eat this on hers. She just like hers with sour cream. And then I got this Taco Bell seasoning mix. These probably my favorite ones. I got mild. I would have got hot, but I didn't think my daughter would like it. And then I got this salsa con queso cheese again. So yeah, girl. Got the Doritos again. Everything's the same except for the seasoning pack. And of course I got this now. So yeah.